Hey, this is A from C&A Try It. My hummingbirds are back. Want some good tips on cleaning your feeders and getting them prepped? Keep watching. So this is my favorite season, and there's a ton of information out there on which feeders to buy. And we can get into that in another segment, but I prefer simple, easy to clean, and a really, really good brush. To brag a little bit on my brush, it's got one big one small one, and look at this, it breaks up into a smaller one. And that's what's gonna allow you to get into all the little nooks and crannies on the inside and outside of the feeder itself. If you're interested in the brush that I'm using, feel free to leave comments below, and I'll be happy to send whatever information I have on where we got the brush. But it's essential to get these little pieces that break up so that you can get into small parts. See, like here, I'm cleaning the underneath or the underside of the feeder itself on the plastic. And that's the thing about bird feeders, right? Like your hummingbird feeders, there's tons of little spaces and tons of areas where you can get mold to accumulate. And I've even got some secrets coming up on how to prevent mold. Most people ask what I use to clean my feeders, and it's super simple. It's just regular Dawn. I mean, it's Dawn dishwashing liquid, not Dawn Ultra or Platinum or anything. It's just plain old Dawn, and you can get that at your local supermarket. It's important to brush inside, outside with nice warm water. And if you can see, I'm super thorough in how I clean with the brush on the inside and on the outside. I make sure I rinse really well. We don't want any soapy residue in our nectar. Here's your secret to the mold issue. Dry and wash very well. Dry, dry, dry. I can't say that enough. Keep drying every single aspect of the feeder. Inside, outside, along the rims. Try to take away any moisture. Here, they're ready to go. They've been dried. And it's simple. You just pour in your nectar. And if you're curious about how to make that nectar, stay tuned for the end. I've got another video that shows you how to make the best hummingbird nectar, all organic, natural, and they'll keep coming back for more, I promise you. Another secret or actual fact is, change out your hummingbird feeders every 3 to 4 days. That keeps the nectar fresh, it keeps them wanting to come back, it keeps it clean, and dry, dry, dry. Just clean and dry every single time, and you'll find that you don't really need any of those preservatives to keep the nectar nice and fresh. So here I'm gonna go ahead and put them out, and I want you to sit back and watch the show because this is the most relaxing part of it all. This is the most rewarding. For all the work I put in, I wait for my little friends to come, and here they are now. So there you have it. That's the show. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't hesitate to hit like and or subscribe to the channel. Please, we love bringing you fresh content. If you have any questions or comments or any types of negative feedback, positive feedback, anything, just write it. Let me know what you do to keep your babies coming back around every single year. This is Romy here, so you'll see that we name our hummingbirds. But until then, enjoy and God bless. Take care.
Breaking free from the long night. Hold me close till the sunrise.